Rice Growers Association was involved with the farm water management project, and we're here at one of the demonstration sites.
Yeah, we're here at Berrigan, Chan's Road, Berrigan, running sheep and a bit of cropping, grazing wheat. Been struggling ever since I owned the property for water security. Very shallow dam, poor quality water because of the overhanging trees, dropping gum leaves in it. Seen an ad in the paper that rice growers had funding, and thought that's what I wanted to do and put in an application.
His proposal was to put in a reticulated stock water system, and it's given him the ability to open up his paddocks and utilise those in a more efficient and better way.
I had a bore, it used to fill the dam, extended that, about 3 k's of poly pipe and 4 troughs, and also 3 tanks. Only one pump on the bore, it pressurises the system to the tanks and gravity feed from the tanks. There's 5 paddocks in the block, only had access really to 3 of them, good water points, so now there's 5 that I can rotate the stock around, and a lot easier management.
Yeah, so the system that Brian has got in will save water by reducing evaporation from the dam that he previously had water in.
Yeah, you can save paddocks and keep the stock off them and rotate around a lot better.
Design was really important for this sort of project in order for Brian to get the most out of the money that he was spending.
Yeah, no, the design was very, when they explained it to me, it was very simple really, and incorporating the bore pump to pressurise the whole system rather than having 2 pumps. The gravity feed out of the tanks into the trough gives you a bit of backup if you have a problem with a pump. You know, you've probably got 2 days of water still there that'll gravity feed into the trough, so you've got a bit of time to fix the pump or whatever the issue is.
Part of the plan for Brian is to eventually fence the dam that he has off, and that will improve the water quality within there and provide habitat for other birds and animals.
Yeah, the stock definitely do a lot better on the cleaner water.
Initially we were going to have 2 demonstration sites as part of the project, but the quality of the applications was so high we decided to have 3, and the 3 that we have are spread over the footprint, so Berrigan, Corey and Niliquin, so that gave us a really good spread of demonstration sites over the whole Murray Valley footprint.
Yeah, Janet done a very good job. She helped me through the whole process and put me onto a good contractor and followed up afterwards. Also, it'd have to improve the value of the property if you could say to someone, maybe of a prospective buyer or something, that you've got water points to every paddock.
At one of the other demonstration sites that we have as part of this project, the landholder was ordering water through the Murray irrigation system, putting it into his channel system and then into a dam. He's now put a pump and pipe system in, and that saved huge amounts of water for him, not putting it through the irrigation system in terms of seepage and evaporation. This project has been a great success for our area.